the super soft onto the soft tyres. But again, guys, a great start, you've got to say, for Sebastian Vettel after Ricciardo dropped back, and that allowed Kimi Raikkonen through too. A fascinating first lap.
Yeah, Alonso got a good start, but not as good as his Ferrari teammate Raikkonen, who was very quick to pounce, but it was exactly what Nico Rosberg wanted at the front. So you see Rosberg, second silver arrows there is Hamilton, then Vettel. This is going to show us the start.
Raikkonen maybe a heck of a start there on the inside row.
So show us. Look to the right of your screen, to the second Ferrari, and Alonso got balked there a little bit by Daniel Ricciardo, and that allowed Kimi Raikkonen to go right around the outside.
Yeah, not the best of start for Ricciardo. We're on board with Kimi
It's like he's riding on the car right there.
Much better start for Raikkonen than Alonso. Down into this tight right-hander Sandevot, and then immediately the charge uphill.
Well, you saw that wing right on his elbow there, on his right elbow as it went round Sandevot. Neither of them got pushed into the barrier.
I have to say, not a bad job from everybody, all 21, because of course Maldonado wasn't there, and there is the very wounded Sahara Force India of Sergio Perez, already a podium achiever this year. But the season got off to a pretty rocky start for him, and this is not exactly the way he hoped his day would go.
Well, as we've been making such a build-up to this race for our viewers, obviously the drivers feel the same way or more, and of course for them to be out on the first lap of this keynote event is just absolutely gut-wrenching.
So the car, the wounded car of Perez now moved away. We should expect to see the safety car come in, perhaps at the end of this lap, perhaps one lap more, and the cars will be released back under racing conditions. Here's the cranes we were talking about earlier on, and these are dotted around the track. Let's have a look at this onboard shot from the Williams. There's the shunt look. And look at the carbon fibre just scattered across the track.
I think if you asked Jenson Button, he'd say, well, Perez was hanging way out there and then turned back in on me. Perez would have a different side of that.